How to transfer money to your Wealthsimple account. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you wish to transfer money to the Wealthsimple account, here are the steps that you need to follow. So first and foremost, launch your app on the mobile device. But before doing so, make sure you have updated the app to the latest version right now. In order to do so, visit Play Store or App Store and then tap on the update button if available. Next up, you'll have to provide in your email and then the password. After that, you will be required to give in the 6-digit code that is sent to your email account for the verification. And once that is done, you can tap on the next button to log in. Now that you have logged in, tap on the profile icon which is on the top right corner of the screen. Tapping on the top right corner will take you to another page from where select on the settings or the gear icon. Then go to accounts and tap on linked accounts. Link your bank account by signing in into your bank and link your debit card as well. Now that this is done, return to the cash account section in the Wealthsimple. Then you can tap on add funds section, select your linked bank or card and then enter the amount you wish to transfer. After that, you can add funds to finalize the transaction and it will be transferred to your Wealthsimple account. That's all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.